Please how he goes in. Wow, he tried walking in, the trap closed too early. Get roasted, man. Piece of crap. Yeah, that's the same person. Come on, someone just tried going deep. Are you really just gonna be the second player that just went in my base?
Wait, is that okay?
Just pick me up.
I'll get you up, my friend.
Alright. See, he's right here. Both of his dead bodies are right
Hey,
here.
you better, you double barrel, watch out, wait, give me here.
Oh, thank you. Look, his body's right here. Both of them. He was ordering me.
Take your
Down
double
low.
barrel.
I wrecked him right here, and then he wrecked me right here. And now I'm pretty sure he's
Big
hiding
crap
inside.
face.
He's hiding inside. Is that him again? He's dead. He's dead. Oh my goodness. He died easily. And then, somebody likes to my chat base. That's him outside as well. What does he have? He doesn't have a lot, does he? No, he doesn't. What? Oh, he can get in through the... He's dead! Oh my goodness! He still went for it! He still went for it! You can't run past the shotgun trap, buddy. You can't. If he's not dead from that, I'm not sure what will kill somebody.
Oh, did you take this? You took this base over. What the?
What? I forgot! No way, I just saw the shotgun traps. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Wait.
What the fuck, man? That's not cool.
Too bad. That's what adopted. Now you can tell I'm pretty angry because I forgot to push shotgun M on the trap and our base loot was almost taken. Toe covered was left on 1 HP and we almost just lost all our loot. Now I didn't record it, I'm not sure why, but earlier when I was on the server, the base that I had that was wooden, it got raided. That Thompson that came back 3 times, he died. So since he died to the trap 2 times, and then the player that died, they came back with AKs and they raided the base. And that's why my friend's on now with me, because he only gets on later. So we both were on later and we tried trapping players. That was a failed trap right there. We tried trapping them, but it didn't go as planned. But we still got him. I spawned on my home with 2 spears and double headshot him and he died. So that was a close call, so I made sure to put all the ammo in, because when my friend was spawning and I was like bagging him in, I actually took out the ammo so he wouldn't die to them and forgot to place them back in. And then they came back and tried satchel raiding, but it didn't go too well for them as AKs came and countered them and easily messed them up. And then that's when the trap reopened, but no one really ran for the trap anymore, so I logged off the server, only to jump on the server the next day to build in a new place and to see a lot of different Don't even try to come in, you're gonna die by my shotgun trap. Oh, he's just missing my head. Alright. I probably should still... They know that we live there over there now. I sealed off toe cover.
Wait, who are they blowing up?
The wooden base. But I sealed it off. They might run through the front door then. Wait! There's no way! Oh, he grabbed authorization to the Tokawa, but he's trapped inside. Oh my goodness, I should have already unauthored everybody. Oh my god, this shit's so retarded. I'm 100% sure I had ammo in that shotgun trap. The fact that there was no ammo in that shotgun trap is mind-blowing, because I'm pretty sure I put ammo in there, and I made sure I did. So for there not to be any ammo in that, like, there has to be some wizardry going on or something. Yeah, he was just finished. I'm pretty sure that AK will go deep. He will go deep. And that's how that goes. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to run out. There's really nothing else I can do. Again? Yeah, and that's basically that. I got raided. That's all that happened to it. And that's why, after I got raided, I tried on the third day, but I didn't get anywhere, so I just, yeah, ended it there. I didn't like how it was really short, but at the same time, after I would trap about 2 players that were full metal, I would just get raided instantly, and that's how it is on the server. So, yeah, this is just going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to sub, like, comment, and hit the bell for more. And until next time, as always,